Every video you watch is actually made up of 1,000 of still images played very quickly. These individual images are called frames. That's where the term FPS or frames per second comes from. Most video runs around 24, 25, or even 30 frames per second. So if a video is at 10 seconds long at 30 FPS, that means it contains around 300 images. And today I'll show you how to extract those images directly from a video using VLC media player. Now, if you only need one or two images, VLC already has a simple screenshot tool. Just open your video and pause at the exact scene you want. Then go to video and go to take snapshot, and VLC will instantly save the frame into your picture folder. Simple. But here's the problem. If you want to extract dozens, hundreds, or even all frames from a video, manually taking screenshots become painfully slow. That's why we will use VLC's hidden scene filter feature. This tool can automatically export frames for you while the video plays. Then head over to the Tools menu and click on Preferences. Look at the bottom left corner and select All under Show Settings. This unlocks VLC Advanced Settings. Scroll down and look for Filters under Video. Click the small arrow next to it to expand the menu and search for Scene Filter. First, choose the image format. You can select JPEG for smaller file sizes, PNG for better image quality. Next, you will see image width and image height. By default, both are set to -1. Leave them like this if you want VLC to preserve the original video resolution. So if your video is 1080p or even 4K, your extracted images will keep that same quality. But if you want, you can also manually set a custom resolution. Now choose a file name prefix, for example, frame or thumbnail. Then select the folder where you want VLC to save the images. Now, this next setting is the most important one. The recording ratio. This controls how often VLC captures frames. For example, if you type 10, VLC will save one image every 10 frames. So if your video is 30 FPS, you will get around 3 images every second. If the video is 5 seconds long, you will end up with approximately 15 images. But if you type 1, VLC will extract every single frame from the video. Now, go back to the filter sections and tick the box next to Scene Video Filter. Once that's done, click on Save to apply the changes. After the saving, completely close VLC Media Player and reopen it again. Now, search for the video you want to extract frame from and press play. As the video plays, VLC will automatically start generating images based on the settings and recording ratio you configured. The extracted picture will be saved directly into the folder you selected during setup. And that's it. That's how you can extract high quality images from any video using VLC Media Player. If this video helped you, make sure you leave a like and subscribe for more practical tech tutorials. And let me know in the comments, what are you using frame extraction for? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.